Hey guys, I've got some data here for my imaginary pizza shop, and I've got the sales broken down by different pizza types. Now, one thing you can do is you can simply add everything up by doing equals sum, open bracket, selecting all your data range, and then pressing enter. So that will give you the total sales, or a shortcut to that would be alt and equals and press enter. Now, what if I told you that actually I want to see the sales for the vegetarian pizzas only, so veggie? So the way we do that is through a sum if function. So let's delete this firstly. And the way that works is you press equals sum if open bracket, then it'll ask you for your range. The range will be the different pizzas, then press comma. Then we'll ask you for the specific criteria. In this example, it'll be the veggie pizza, so I'll select veggie and then press comma again. And then the sum range. And the sum range will be the actual data points. And then close the bracket, press enter, and there you have 800, which is 500 plus 300 gives you the 800. But now let's say you want to count the number of vegetarian pizzas you actually have. So here is where a COUNTIF function comes into play. And the way that works is you simply press equals, COUNTIF, open bracket, select your range, comma, and then select veggie once again, close the bracket, and press enter. And that's returning a value of 2 because we've got 2 vegetarian pizzas in the list. And as the name implies, COUNTIF, you're counting the number of times a specific criteria is met.